importance of water quality. Before this research, I read an article which concerned about water and the shellfish life, which in Stillaguamish Basin, and the reason that it is risk the shellfish's health because the amount of fecal coliform, the mercury concentration, temperature of water, and the pH value of the basin. Fecal coliform are bacteria that originate from feces and not original from feces. These bacteria cause urinary infections, sepsis, infant meningitis, respiratory tract infections, and diarrhea if we drink the water from the basin. The mercury concentration is assess the amount we put into the standard. The mercury is toxic to both water organism and the human. If we exposure to methanol mercury, we will have defects of neurological development in fetus, infant, and the children. If pregnant women somehow exposed to it, it will affect babies' brain and the nervous system, and the peripheral vision, and the lack of coordination of movement, and the other weakness such as muscle weakness and not able to walk or hear. For elemental mercury, people may breathe in into their lungs. It would cause tremors, emotional change, insomnia, and the higher exposure will cause kidney failure, and the worst is death. For inorganic mercury, it will result in damage of gastrointestinal tract, the nervous system, and the kidneys. Symptoms of high exposure would include skin rashes and dermatitis. and some other symptoms. If the water are having high temperature, it will not be able to hold dissolved oxygen, which would also cause higher metabolism in fish, which may result in death of the water organism. And the last one is pH, which the acidity of the water will dissolve more heavy metals in water, which may cause people to consume heavy metal when they eat the water organisms. And there are optimal range of pH which organisms are necessary to grow in water, which is 6.5 to 9. So for the prevention, we can reduce mercury by not to burn coal, eliminate mercury mining and the usage in gold mining. For reduce fecal coliform, we could make sure the wastewater are not leaking sewage into the river and the lake and the sea. So these are the reference. That's the end of presentation.